Welcome, here I've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the pro by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to the end. Here we are in the Pro mode. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters ourselves, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments. So let me start by tapping on this settings bar here. As you can see here we have access to these sliders we can manage, so let me show you how it works. The first one slider here is the white balance, so we can control the temperature of our picture. We can make it more cold or warm by going to the right, as you can see. Also we have these small icons that suggest us which light is good for which conditions we have in the area where we take a picture. So we have the cloudy light, fluorescent light, daylight and the incandescent light. Of course the auto settings are at the beginning here. The next one button here is the ISO, so we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and as you can see from 100 we can make it less sensitive, to 1 and 6,000 of it we can make it more sensitive, and this is how it works here. And of course the auto ISO is at the beginning here. And the last one slider here is the exposure compensation, so by using this we can manage the exposure, so we can change the light of the picture. We can make our picture just more bright by going to the right, as you can see. At the center we have 0 exposure, so the auto settings, and by going to the left we can make our photo just more dark. And this is how it works here, this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.